Hello, good evening to all viewers. Mayong gabi sa Bisaya pa diri sa mong lugar. I'm Ken. If you are first timer in watching my video, please like and subscribe for more future updates. So, first things first, I will say disclaimer. I'm not a professional trader. I'm not a certified analyst. Anything I discuss in this video are my own personal views and based on my experience only. And please do not take action to everything I will say. Consider it as part or for education purpose only. Just like I said many times. So, everything I discuss here are based heavily with my experience after being in crypto for my second year now. I've been holding, I've been trading, I've been teaching, I've been doing a lot of research first. I did a lot of study, guys, before I came up with what I am now. So, first, thank you so much for continuing to follow me on Twitter. And I feel like I am so blessed because there are a lot of people, those close to my heart, those my big bosses in the XRP, my fellow XRP labs. Thank you so much. You know who you are. I don't need to mention your name. God knows I'm so blessed to have you guys, especially my wife, who is very supportive now. Even I'm very tired after a lot of work every day, but still I continue to do my job to track the crypto price action, not only the XRP but for the Bitcoin and the rest of alts out there. So tonight I will be doing a different video. Just a quick one. I will be focusing tonight for XRP only. But before, I will say this first. This is my experience, guys. Before I learn how to trade, or at least have idea, I've been to a lot of websites. I even joined some programs without knowing, due to I didn't did enough research at that time. To make the long story short, I fell into a pyramiding scam. So my money, after putting in those websites of promising me to in return of my capital, it never came back, guys. So just like I said, I rather lose in trading, or I will invest in a crypto like XRP or Bitcoin, then I will buy and hold for long time. But that would take a lot of patience, a lot of mind twisting, emotional, everything you undergo. But in the end, as long as you hold it, your perspective, your mindset is for long term, you decided that you don't care every day the price go up or the price go down. But trading is different. It is for short term. Anyone who can do the right timing, especially me, I'm a technical trader. I set proper risk management and everything, discipline, no FOMO and FOD. But to make this quick, I rather lose in trading, guys, than fall into pyramiding scams or schemes. So that's it. So tonight's video, my title for tonight's video is this. Today is April 22, 2021. We are in the Thursday. Friday is coming, and the weekend is coming. weekend is either good, bullish, or bearish. So anything can happen because trading is based on probabilities, like solving math problems. Or I'm not that good in math in my high school years or in college, but at least I know I was a Philippine Science High School scholar. But sadly, I'm I'm not like my batch who are now very professional now. Some are doctors, some are engineers here and there, but thank God I found my career in this space. So I'm blessed, especially I'm into the greatest uh, crypto community in the world, which is XRP. A lot of good people out there. Thank you so much, my fellow loves. I'm doing this not for my sake only, but for all of us, and for all the families that we love and take good care of. So I will be quicker as possible. So my video for tonight entitled explaining the two scenarios: a deadly reversal and a retesting ETH path. So before I continue, let me give you some quick trivia. I already posted this in my Twitter profile for today, in my tweets. So trading is like this. One of my knowledge, my experience, just normal, like a business, like we pay bills. So trading, when we fill order, guys, whether that is buy or sell. So you just like normal, when we pay bills, we fall into line, and that's it, guys. Just wait. Patience is the key, and your order will be filled. Whether is that sell or buy, just wait. Let the time work for you. Just be patient. Remember, those who cannot wait already lose. So also, guys, I've been every time I watch a new movies, guys, or I am picky watcher of movies. I don't like to watch those videos, movies that waste my time. I rather watch those meaningful. But for the sake of doing some icebreakers, I'm doing this as another trivia. I watched this movie before. I was intrigued. I didn't know trading at that time, but to make it short, this boss here, this actor, Korean, he mentioned Bitcoin in this movie along with the gods, the last 49 days. So he literally said there, even of course already translated in English, with subtitle or caption, but he said there, I should have invested in Bitcoin because he got a failed stock investment. So Bitcoin is growing value in time. So it's like a digital gold. So like I said, this is not a financial advice, not in any case. So let's move on. And I forgot, he also said in this movie, Train to Busan, this movie is more popular than this, but both are good. In movie Train to Busan, the lead actor there was a hedge fund manager. Remember the intro of the video, the guy, the Korean famous actor working in an office, he is a veteran or pro hedge fund manager. So in the middle of the movie, this actor said to the leading actor, I heard that you are a hedge fund manager, so you know how to manipulate prices on people. So that is a pump and dump method. So I put a wrong typo in my picture. Sorry, I didn't found this earlier. So I came up with the idea that he knows trading. So that's it, guys. Everything I said here is not only for education, but a little twist to entertain us all. So let's move on. I'm not doing another chart, but I focus tonight for the XRP. So a lot of people are impatient, especially those people that trying to make quick bucks. You know, trading is not that like us. Trading is patience. Some people said trading might be gambling. Yes, it might be, because but not in a direct way. But I'm not saying it's gambling, but it's just normal. We do trading every day. Not only we buy things we want, like we pay, we buy food, we use our money, we buy food, and if we are the food providers, we sell food for money. So a trade happened. A trading is between two people. So when we go to the markets, the public markets, especially in our area, in my area here, a lot of noisy people in we call it a public mall, but it's not mall, but it's a market. So a lot of calling, buy here, cheap fish, like that. So market is the same with trading. Like when I'm doing, a lot of people selling here, buying here. So that is, guys, trading is from the start, and it's a legit thing, and it's not illegal. So what I'm doing tonight is not illegal. I'm not mentioning anything other than that, but for education purpose only. Remember my disclaimer earlier. I said I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a certified analyst. But for the sake of those people, especially the new ones, those people that like me, who like XRP a lot. The reason I like XRP, guys, this it's very fast. I can send money from where I'm talking right now. I'm sitting here to anyone in the world in just few seconds, like a snap of fingers. And I don't need to go to a third party like Western Union or Palawan or my local area here, MoneyGram. I don't need to go there. Just I sit here, I send money to a friend, paying for services or buying, etc. Just sending, normal putting the address, the amount, and tag. When he send it, immediately he can sell it, he can exchange it into money. So that's how liquid, how powerful XRP is. XRP is a very innovative crypto, guys. Very fast, very efficient, doesn't need mining. So I like it a lot. It intrigues me because even central banks is slowly, even our own bank here in my nation, Pilipinas, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Last year, I wrote an article about that. They slowly study cryptocurrencies, and soon, very very soon, a digital peso will be launched. But I might be wrong, but that is what I've known so far. So anything can happen. So like I said in my first video, the first few minutes of my video, I focus on XRP tonight. Not so technical. I've been doing a lot of technical videos, more techy. So tonight I will be doing a lesser bit. So let's move. So the first thing I discuss tonight is XRP BTC chart. Normally XRP is traded against USDT, USDC, BUSD, any stable coin that represents an equivalent to US dollar. So tonight, the first thing I discuss, I will focus on 3 main points. The first point I'm going to discuss is the XRP BTC chart using the Binance exchange. So guys, Upon seeing the XRP BTC, the first thing actually I do in morning after waking up, pray to God, giving thanks to Him for another day. I've been thankful for Him for giving me wisdom, because without Him, without the Lord's guidance, I do not understand these things, guys. It's like Egyptian hieroglyphs or codes. You know, people like me, guys, those people that are technical analysts, our job is to explain the chart, the price movement to normal people like you. So, this is not just a hobby, but soon a work for me. So, I'm very blessed and privileged to have these skills, guys. But anyone can learn how to read charts. Soon, I will be teaching and giving a 30-day program. I am so excited, guys, to share everything I know. I will teach you myself. I will guide you. I will let you feel how market behave. I will explain a lot of things like volumes, fractals, etc., etc. But sorry, that is not included in my topic. But I just like to tell that I'm so excited, guys. So, like I said, XRP BTC chart today is strong. It is the B bands alone. This indicator here, this one here, and this one, the lower than the upper bands are strong, curving. They are curving, and they look like they will kiss each other soon. And if you see the volumes, guys, profit taking good, a healthy retracement, people taking profits after massive price surging. So normal, I can see the volumes, people buying, taking profits, then re-entering, taking profits again, re-entering, taking profits. So what happened, guys, is this. If the XRP against the Bitcoin is the dominant, so dominant crypto here. But I'm not saying XRP is lesser or the lesser being, but XRP so far in the XRP BTC chart that I screenshot this morning is strong, because the last 5 candles here perfectly supported for 5 days. Boom. And the formation, guys, if you try to look at, guys, especially my XRP fellow loves, it formed a higher lows, but lower highs but higher lows, and soon achieving a pinnacle, or I like to call it POD, or point of decision. Either it will break out or break down, but I will rather choose breakout. Of course, no one wants a low crypto XRP price unless we do futures, guys. But we do not engage futures or you will be liquidated. I'm warning you, guys. Volume, futures trading, margin, anything. If you do it wrong, your money will be easily gone. So let's move forward. So here, my second part is this. The XRP USDT chart. This is Binance again, or Binance, whatever it is used. I am seeing a very healthy correction or corrective pace. And as long as the daily candle today, this one here, as long as this candle here stays above this red line, the B median acting now as a support short term, and this one here, the Ichimoku red line is coinciding with the B median line, so they form a strong support. And if you try to look at also the moving averages, guys, the 50, the 100, and the 200 are here. So the B lower band and the B upper band are curving and soon will kiss to each other, and the candle formations are forming around rounding bottom, and soon this is the bearish side, soon this is the bullish side. So soon I'm speculating 1 to 2 more days of correction. Remember, I'm trading is not certainty, because if we are certain, if we can predict the price, then we are rich already. No, trading is probability. We must scale or weigh both sides, the upside or the downside. So next thing guys, this is what I'm seeing. Once the price correction is done, then people will re-enter. So a chance or probability of retesting first the previous multi-year high found at 1.96, and soon the $2, which is, we call it a psychological level. So that's it guys. I hope I have explained myself here. After all, the daily chart of XRP is very sexy, but my wife is sexier guys. Just joking. And soon guys, we will get our targets. I'm not seeing a downside guys, because people are re-entering the market. People are responding, they are buying, they made their positions and they hold. So that's it guys. Let's move forward to the last part guys. Shout out for Miss Christine Rose Inomar Binjel. She is watching from Davao. Hi Christine, good night from there. Hoping your family and friends are safe. You are safe. God bless you. So let's move forward. So we are here now. So guys, this is the last part and the best part guys that I like to share. So I already combine all the abilities that the God has given me to analyze, to interpret the charts. So this time I use volumes. These are the volumes guys, and these are the candles. So tonight I like to explain. So guys, all of us, most of people want prices to go up and up and up. But remember, this is trading guys. This is a real market. This is not just a game where we just use play money. No, this is serious business. To some people, trading is a very serious business guys. We do not play money. The money that we use for trading guys is serious. We work hard a lot just to get it. So a lot of things happened to me guys before I learned trading. I do not need to explain that guys. Remember, this is not a financial advice in any case. I'm trying my best here to educate you and to track the XRP price analysis. So let's move forward. So this is what happened. If the candle patterns were like this, so here, if the price continue to went, that is a very dangerous guys. Because a healthy market guys, even as we people, when we try to go up, when our heads became bigger, we are arrogant. When we became so arrogant guys, we must be corrected guys. The Lord will correct us, and the people around us, those people that took care of us, those love us, the very same people that care for you will correct you, will reprimand you that you are not the same person anymore. So that's the same with the XRP. It corrected into a rounding bottom, like I said in this point 2, and it formed a good bullish fish hook so far. Please, I want to be right, but in this case, in this one here, this pattern here, if continue to move up. That is a very dangerous reversal, guys. A lot of volume. Look at the volume, guys. So it must be corrected. And as I am seeing, I'm using a deadly fish hook bearish reversal term here. So the price after reaching top will immediately fall here. And the volumes here are green. If this candles here continue to go up, the candles are not red but in green here. I'm explaining two scenarios, guys. So I rather want red volumes here for correction. That is a good correction. People will take profits. After they bought their position, they take profit, they exit. So people will do the same also. They will exit. Like domino effect. Continue to do. So right now, the markets, the XRP market is doing great so far. And hoping, guys, this 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 candles here, in my analysis, guys, I calculate 1 to 2 more days. But so far, so good. XRP, like I said, went instead to a corrective phase and healthy retracement through profit takings and slowly re-entering or careful repositioning through the volumes. Look at this, guys. So that's it, guys. I already explained the two scenarios, so I'm very bullish. I'm always positive person, guys. But that is the way I look now. I'm not saying I'm biased, but that is the chart is telling me. That is my analysis. So once again, guys, my video tonight is very different compared to my previous ones, and I hope I have explained myself here. I'm not continue or to talk more any longer. So that's it, guys, for tonight. Thank you so much for listening until the end. May the Lord bless you and keep you safe, guys. And just remember, hold strong always. Thanks a lot and bye. See you soon again tomorrow.